Is home haemodialysis difficult to learn?
Don't worry, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to be able to have haemodialysis at home. The dialysis machines and the equipment can look scary and complicated when you first use them, but most people say that once they get used to the equipment that it's no more complicated than using your phone, your smartphone or a touchscreen device once you get used to it.
I personally think if you can use a mobile phone, you can learn to use a dialysis machine. I think it's managing to separate the dialysis machine and yourself and just doing one step at a time. I think if you can just see it as a piece of equipment, it's not a problem. If you try and see the bigger picture too much, it becomes a big thing. You just have to do it in little baby steps and it works fine.